northwest of Golden. That's Blackhawk up that way. Here's the highway. Goes up to Boulder there, and Golden behind me. They have the whole highway shut off. Down here you can see all the smoke. But it's burned over 5 acres. Looks like a lot more than 5 acres now. You can smell the smoke. It's pretty hazy today, but I'm sure the smoke isn't helping. It's pretty crazy. It's pretty impressive. All the people over here are watching it. Going on a bike ride today. So I have about 10 more miles to go. I'll take some more footage probably from higher up. But this is as close as I've ever been to Wildfire. It's pretty crazy. Oh yeah, the flames are really going over there. I don't know. I don't know if you can see them, but you can see the police down here. They have the cones blocking off the whole highway. I don't know if they've evacuated houses, but there was talk of it earlier. You can see the fire has gone over this top of this ridge here. It's burning pretty fast actually, and the wind is real strong up here. So I'm sure that's not helping. The canyon is full of smoke. You can't even really see up it. That's not where the highway is. The highway's down here. But all of that's filled with smoke. There's a ton of people up here watching it, and a ton of cars. And there's some police zooming up and down. You can see all the police down there. The highway all closed off. I don't usually ride my bike over there, so that's good, but it's sure gonna look different. Hi, I'm on top of the next switchback here on the road. Helicopter flew over about 5 minutes ago. Didn't look like it had water or anything, but I don't know if it was just doing surveillance or... Everybody's up here like me with their camera phones. Fire's really moving, really starting to burn. All those trees were burning earlier, and this top of this ridge is all burned now. The very top of the peak is. So it's spreading pretty quickly. There's a whole bunch of people out here. I don't think I'll see any more of it further up. I'm gonna keep riding up the mountain. We might be able to see the smoke from the peak. Still burning. Of course. I'm on the last end of the road until I head south. Fire's north of me, so I probably won't see anymore.